Hey coders, in this video we'll validate string inputs in JavaScript. We'll create a function that throws an error if the string is empty. This helps ensure our functions do not process blank values. Let's jump into the simple validation technique. Our goal here is to validate strings before using them. If the string has no characters, meaning its length is 0, we want to throw an error. This avoids issues like blank outputs or failed logic. It is a great practice for input validation. This function checks if the input string is empty using string length strictly equals to 0. If it is, it throws a custom error with the message, sorry, the string is empty. This prevents the function from continuing with invalid input. Otherwise, the function proceeds silently without any error. Here's how it works step by step. First, we receive a string as input. If the string is empty, we stop right there and throw an error. If not, the function proceeds, confirming it is a valid non-empty string. Let's test our function with two examples. The first input, hello, is valid and doesn't throw the error. But the second input is an empty string, so the function throws our custom error. This gives us early feedback before the code proceeds. This kind of validation is useful across many real-world apps. Think login forms, feedback fields, or any area where blank input isn't valid. Throwing errors helps catch these issues early and improves user experience. It is a must-have check for any input-heavy app. To wrap up, this function checks if the string is empty using a step. If it is, it throws a clear custom error to prevent invalid operations. This is a solid way to prevent or to protect your code from unexpected blanks. Thanks for tuning in. Keep writing safe and smart JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.